Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan si Gomez.
Jersey number 1, passing jersey number 9, Cruz. He's down, he's dribbling. He's jersey number 3, Bikini on the shot block. Passing jersey number 1, he's a passing jersey number 8. 12 on the shot block, jersey number 8. Makes it foul. Gets the basket. Make a second foul. Jersey number 11. That is second foul, first team foul. On his free throw for jersey number 8. It's complete people play for jersey number 8. He scored 36-31. Down to 5. Ang kalaman dito ang Barangay Kultuman. Jersey number 99. Passing jersey number 3. Looking for his way. 6 seconds low. No more shot clock. Jersey number 4. This time right. Just get beyond. Number 8, this is that money, takes a line. He's not even number 6. He's not even jersey number 4, that is first foul. Second team foul para sa Barangay Kultuman. Free throw for jersey number 6, Manileo. First shot is no good. Time remaining 7 minutes and 34 seconds to play. St. Lazaro for jersey number 6. 1 out of 2. Substitution. Score 36-32. Down to 4 ang kalamangan nila ang Barangay Kultuman. 69 ang lahat. Ang Barangay Chao, jersey number 99. Number 5, jersey number 7. That's the one out to the other shot. Because another big old play. Almost in the center. Number 11. For the foot down. Gets the basket. Take a step of a foul. Jersey number 1. That is third foul. Second team foul. That's the Barangay Chao. Jersey number 11. It's not really play by jersey number 11. So 49-32. A 7-point lead, jersey number 1 to jersey number 6. Almost losing the ball. Intercepted Santiago Pastor Gomez. Jersey number 99. Cross pass to jersey number 11. He's a pass to jersey number 33. Para sa Barangay Kultuman, jersey number 1, nice screen dito para sa jersey number 6, jersey number 88, Mahusay, baseline grab, mix up. It's done by jersey Rizal, ball taken to jersey number 11. That is third foul, third team foul para sa Barangay Kultuman, substitution. Substitution. For jersey number 88, Mahusay. St. Lazaro for jersey number 88, now for ready. 1 out of 2 for jersey number 88, the score 41-33. 8-point lead para sa Barangay Kultuman, jersey number 9. 3 on the way, jersey number 11, cover box, jersey number 33. Number 2 to jersey number 9. Back to jersey number 18. And back ball. Pass to jersey number 19 to jersey number 88.